Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Curious how to split text across a face for a stunning effect? Let's dive in. First, click Create to start a new document. Select Custom Size, then enter the target dimensions 300 by 300 pixels, following the specifications from this tutorial. Next, we will add the new feature noun. Select the element, then try typing your text inside it. Select the desired item from the list provided here. Select the photo, then use the background removal tool to eliminate the background, isolating the main subject. This creates a clean, focused image ready for use in your project or presentation. Next, we'll crop this image, then enlarge it to focus on the key details. Use the crop tool to select the area, adjust the size, and apply the changes to complete the enlargement precisely and effectively. We will create only half of the page for now, focusing on the initial layout and content elements. Click and drag the object from the side position to the back position to rearrange its layering order within your project. Open the app and locate the search bar. Type FrameMaker to find the application. Once found, select it to open. Inside FrameMaker, click the Text tool. Then, click where you want to add text and start typing your content. This allows you to insert and edit text directly within your project. Use these steps to efficiently search, open, and add text in FrameMaker. Click the Add button here to include the item in your current list or project. Ensure the content fits correctly within the designated area before proceeding to the next step in your project. Next, line up another item carefully to continue the sequence accurately and maintain proper alignment throughout. Add the file to the current project by dragging it into the timeline or using the import menu options. Ensure this also fits correctly before proceeding to the next step. Next, select the object and click Duplicate. This creates an exact copy you can move or modify independently. Use duplication to save time when repeating elements and maintain consistency across your design or project. Duplicate the image by selecting it and using the copy function. Next, drag the duplicated image over the text area. Adjust its position so that only half of the image overlaps with the text. This creates a layered effect where the image partially integrates with the text. Ensure the alignment is precise to maintain visual balance. If needed, resize the duplicated image to fit perfectly within the text boundaries. This technique enhances design contrast and draws attention. Continue refining the placement until you achieve the desired look with half the image blending seamlessly into the text. After making your changes, click the Done button to save and exit the editing mode. This will apply all modifications you made and close the settings panel. Ensure that all adjustments are correct before finalizing. Once you click Done, the system will update accordingly and return you to the main screen, ready for the next steps. Resize the image to fit the frame perfectly, then click the Done button to apply your changes. Here is our final output. Review all elements carefully to ensure accuracy. This completes the process. You can now save, export, or share your final work as needed. Proceed to the next step. Click the Share button, then adjust the size to the maximum setting to ensure the highest quality output for your project before exporting or saving your file. Now you know how to create stunning half-face typography in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.